Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Shopee account. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your browser or to your app, so Google Play, to your Shopee account, and make sure that you updated or downloaded the app, and make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser, and if you want to just delete your account, just go to me via Shopee app, select the the gear icon at the top, request account deletion. Right here, you're gonna see the green, the settings gear, and then request account deletion, and then confirm that you want to delete, confirm and proceed to the next step, right? And then enter your verification code for your phone number, and then agree to the terms and condition and add the reason, and then basically now you deleted your account. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.